Meet the xTool M1. It's the world's first desktop dual cutting machine. It's integrated with laser engraving, laser cutting, and blade cutting capabilities, making it suitable for a wide array of creative uses. You can make a meal special, become a jewelry designer, adorn your home, DIY t-shirts for the whole family, immortalize fond memories. Even Spot can join in the fun as you take your parties to the next level. M1 combines two different cutting technologies together, a laser head and a blade head. With blade cutting, M1 avoids the burnt look and discoloration of soft materials. M1 is compatible with more materials than any other desktop machine, from soft materials to 8mm tough stuff. So whether you're cutting or engraving wood, leather, delicate paper, vinyl, or fabric, M1 performs well for any need. More materials processed means more possibilities for creation and exploration. Instead of clunky CO2 lasers that limit portability, M1 uses a revolutionary semiconductor dual-beam laser head that compresses the laser facula and provides double the power. Achieving cutting up to 8mm basewood in a single pass. And ultra-high accuracy engraving. With rotary attachment, M1 can also carve on cups. M1 has a built-in 16-megapixel ultra-wide-angle high-resolution camera that lets you bring sketches to life just with your pen. With image extraction, you can easily collect all your memories. M1 can automatically recognize the official materials, autofocus and measure the thickness of all materials. AI batch processing empowers you to create multiple works in one shot. And Smart Camera can recognize and automatically cut the pattern. Making ideas come true has never been this easy. xTool M1 brings more joy to your life. Capture your precious moments. Surprise your loved ones. Save money or even make some. Stay safe and smile to the world. MakeBlock got its humble beginnings 8 years ago. We launched our first project on Kickstarter. And thanks to the amazing Kickstarter community, we've been able to grow our business to where it is today. A company with over 300 employees, helping kids all over the world harness their creativity. At MakeBlock, our mission is to help people have fun while creating things. This time, with more materials to create with than ever, and even more possibilities for creation. We are so close to this vision. It is not only for makers, crafters, designers. It's a creating tool for everyone. Back us today and start bringing your vision to life through your creations.